Hi guys and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about time zone conversion action automation for workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're going to install within your agency and execute actions. So let me show you how to set it up. At your you scroll down to App Marketplace, Time Zone Convert. We go at Install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Sub account 1, continue, allow and install. We select the plan, whether it's a monthly plan or yearly, confirm. You will automatically open in your window where you will have to copy the custom menu link. So we make sure it's copied and we switch back to the agency in order to create our custom menu link. If this is your first time installing one of our apps, you will have to create a custom menu link. But for the other apps you have to install, you won't have to do it anymore. So we go at the settings, custom menu link, create new. So we fill this form. You can select an icon for your custom menu link. When you're done, you type a name here for your custom menu link. You can decide, for example, to name your custom menu link my tools. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg app, so we'll check it later. Afterwards, here you paste the custom menu link that we copied from the app. You paste it here, you scroll down, you check some preferences here. You select the sub account where you want the tool to be available, sub account 1, for example. Here you have role-based visibility, so you can decide who you want to give access to. And when you're done, you make sure you save. The next step right now is to switch to the sub account. So we switch to the sub account and we look for our custom menu link. Remember, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. So if you guys name your custom menu link my tools, you make sure you have my tools here. So we go on Greg apps. There you go. You have apps available and connected apps. Of course, if you're doing this for the first time, all your apps will be available here before you get them connected. So if we type time zone, it will not pop up because it's already connected. So let's go on connected apps. We have time zone here. So in order to connect it, just have to go at setup, and the only information required here is just to fill it by providing your email address. Let's do it right away and we submit. Perfect. After the submission, you guys are now ready to go. You can now access the workflow and execute actions directly from that workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.